Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna dress up this unfinished wood box that I ordered from Amazon. You can get the same one in Michael's, but my local Michael's didn't have any. And I'm gonna start by painting it with some Waverly chalk paint in the colour Ocean. And I'm just gonna paint around the edges and not the middle because I'm gonna cover that. And I have this tissue box. It was actually my friend's and I asked her to keep it for me because it had unicorns on it and I thought it was really pretty and I was going to turn it into something else, so I decided to just make it a tissue box again. So I'm just going to glue each piece down with some Mod Podge. The next step was dry brushing some Folk Art metallic gold paint along all the edges. And I got this pearl wrap ribbon in Dollar Tree and I'm just going to cut, well, I'm going to measure and then cut one row to go around each edge of the unicorn print. And I'm just going to glue them down with some hot glue. And I will leave a link in the description box for these rhinestones, and I'm just going to hot glue one to each corner. And then I just repeat this for each side, minus the rhinestones, because I just wanted a little extra detail on the top, and then that's it finished. Here is the finished project. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos.